Hello fellow traders, welcome to another video. So today we are going to talk about the Ichimoku Cloud. So the Ichimoku Cloud trading attempts to identify a probable direction of price. It helps the trader determine the most suitable time to enter and exit the market. By providing you with the trend direction, it gives you a reliable support and resistance levels and strength of these market signals. So now we're going to see how to use this indicator to predict the price movement and to set up good ideas about some good trades we're gonna take. All right, so here is the compounds of this indicator, which has uh, a lot more of indicators in it. Between them there is moving averages, two moving averages, which makes you can use them to predict movement also, but we are going to use more the clouds. All right, the clouds is more important for us in this indicator. So these clouds are gonna give us a clue about the direction of the market. Also, we're gonna spot the uptrend and the downtrend. All right, so I'm going to add the lead 1 and 2 for the clouds, and I'm gonna delete the moving averages so we can have a nice graph, a nice chart to use. So here, if you can spot here that that's an uptrend. All right, the cloud gives us a clue that the trend is going up. All right, the other one is of course is going down. Uh, and so I'm gonna add some specific here so you can so here is price is going up. I'm gonna add some colors into it. Alright then, now the price is going up because the clouds, as you see, is going we have a green cloud, and here we have a red cloud, which means price is going down. So you can spot the cross between the two lines that gives us these clouds like that. Every cross, it means that the market is going to change its direction. So I'm gonna see the Dow Jones now. The same thing, if you can see here, can spot the clouds. The red clouds means that the direction of the market is going down. Therefore, it's a downtrend. And of course, you can spot the cross there of the two lines. Also, for the uptrend, there is the green cloud, means there is a cross there, means that the market is changing the direction and it's going up. All right. So, as a recap, we use the actual cloud to identify the overall trend and establish a trading bias. Once said the bias is established, the chartist or we traders will wait for a correction when prices cross the baseline, and actual signal trigger when prices cross the conversion line to signal an end to the correction. With that being said, as you can see, the three criteria will not be met in just one day. There is a pecking order to the process. First, the trend is bullish as defined by the cloud. Second, the Dow pulls back with a move below the baseline. Third, the Dow Jones turns back up with a move about the conversion line. Alright, so I repeat, when we see that the cloud is above the price, it means that the price is going down. If we see the cloud below the price, that means that it's going to be bullish. So we are looking for a buy. As you can see in this example, the clouds are below the price, so it's a buy for sure. Um, okay, the Ichimoku Cloud is an indicator that many traders use only. They use it as a strategy, but as you can see, there are a lot of indicators in just one indicator, and there is a lot to talk about and to use in your trading strategy uh, for to have a better setup and a better system. And this Japanese indicator is being made by a Japanese journalist named Ichimoku Sanjin, also known as Goichi Hosoda, released it publicly after decades perfecting it, which is really a good indicator I could recommend for you guys. So we are coming to an end of this video. See you in another one, and safe trading.